Hey everyone, my name is Bradley. Welcome to my channel, The Portly Gentleman. In today's video, we are going to DIY ourselves together a heated CIP setup that I'm going to use on my SS Brewtech Unitank. You guys could use this on the Spike Unitank, anyone's Unitank. You could use it on a regular stainless conical. I wouldn't really recommend it on a plastic fermenter or PET because you're going to melt it, or you could when you turn the power up as high as you should. First, all the stuff today that I used, with the exception of the heating element, I got from NorCal Brewing Solutions. Jay Bird up there and his boys, his crew, hooked me up. They actually took care of the custom work for me, as well as I kind of screwed up and I ordered the wrong size item. So they fixed that for me at no additional charge. I did pay for everything else. Costs were somewhat significant to get this all set up, but really wanted to give a big shout out to them. Say thank you. If you guys need anything custom stainless steel, really, you know, your imagination, your wallet, I suppose, is the limit. They have some super cool stuff, just their yeast harvesting stuff. I'm crazy interested in it. I'd love to try it out with one of my Unitanks. So let's hope I get the chance. So let's jump right into this video. So here's everything laid out that I'm going to use to hold the heating element. Guys, it's basically a rims tube. Nothing exciting here, but we'll go ahead and go through it. I got this all from NorCal Brewing Solutions. They do a lot of really cool stuff. This is just the tip of the iceberg on what you can get from Jay over there. A lot of custom work. Like, they have a full custom shop, I'm pretty sure. They made this little thermal well for me custom to a custom length. Kind of see it here. It's only 1.5 inches, but they were able to do it for me custom, which cannot be beat. So both of these rims tubes, 2-inch here, 1.5 inch there. Gaskets for both those ports, gaskets for all three of the 2-inch tri-clamps. This piece right here is also custom to fit the heating element that I used in the last project. So here we go. You start by threading that through there, and that is a perfect fit. Get the nut on the heating element. This heating element, again, I got from Morebeer, but it's made by Kegland. It's 1600 watts. You just want to get it pretty tight. It's got a big old seal on it. Next is that custom thermal well. That'll go on one end. And this thing is probably best to mount this guy kind of up and down vertically. For cleaning, I'm not going to do that just yet because I don't know where it's going to finally live. But I'm going to use the tri-clamps, the tabs here, to space this guy kind of off the ground, I hope. Next, take the element, and it's just got nasty hard water on it because last time I used it, I didn't use soft water because I was in a hurry. And take the last so there we have it. All right, so here's a little bit closer look at the final kind of pump setup. The input from both of the Unitank's valves comes through here, fills the rims tube, gets sucked out through my beloved Blickman Riptide, comes out into the CIP ball. One of the things about this project that really worked just awesomely brilliant was the heated CIP itself. It really kicked butt. It made everything so much easier. As I ran the tests, you know, I accidentally knocked out the thermal probe and I boiled for a second. So that was kind of it wasn't the greatest, but it wound up taking to hit about 190 degrees, less than 10 minutes. I measured out exactly 1.5 gallons of water. That's what I always use when I'm CIPing, but I usually just heat the water in like a little boiler off the side. This guy kept it raging hot the entire time. It was just epic. So once I got it all set up, everything was running, it just ripped right through it. PBW at 190 degrees does really wonderful things to stainless steel. The thing came out crystal clean, just shiny as can be. I cannot say that enough. Didn't need to scrub any of the surfaces. There was no Croissant or anything, any crap, any hot material. any schmegma left behind in this Unitank. So I highly recommend this upgrade. You guys may already have the stuff you need. You don't have to use a Riptide. You know, the Blickman Riptide I absolutely love, but any pump you have is gonna work that's gonna tolerate high heat. If you guys already have a rims tube in your brewery, plumb it in, hook it up, and clean away. I really think this is just a home run in my world. I'm gonna do it every single time. All right, so in closing, it works great. 190-degree water without any cleaner is pretty much gonna cook any bug that's in there anyways. I think this is a must-have upgrade for my brewery. I don't know about yours. What we're left with is a squeaky clean Unitank ready for its next brew day, and that's what it's all about. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone that's supported me and commented, I love the comments, I read them all. Thank you so, so much. It means a lot. As always, remember, home brewing is good. I'll see you in the next one.